Hello everyone, this is Billie. Welcome to Billie Holman Creations. Today I'm doing something completely different, something out of my league. I joined a bandwagon and this is all new to me, so please bear with me and I'll try not to speed up and get excited, and I'll slow down some. Let me start by saying Temu has become very popular. I know throughout the crafting genre, many crafters are purchasing items from Temu, and I have done the same. I also was able to join their affiliate program. You have to apply, and they approved me, so I joined that. So I was able to share my affiliate links with you. Now, if you were to go into my affiliate link, first time users or first time downloading the Temu link, you can get up to $100 in a coupon bundle. And if you search for my affiliate code, that could be another bonus for you at discount prices. I mean, I was able to get things up to 90% off. It's unbelievable. So, first of all, if you would look at my affiliate code, I have 3 there where you can join Temu, or you can just purchase items, or you can do both. So it goes on from there. Then I thought, well, let me look at their influencer program. And you have to apply for that, and I was accepted. And that program allows me to demonstrate some items that I get to choose from Temu. They send to me, and I'm able to share all the links with you. So I can get a little more kickback because, you know, running my little channel is getting a bit spendy and I need to watch myself. Anyway, aside from that, so let me show you what I received as an influencer with my first bundle or first haul from Temu. I picked these all out myself. I was in a hurry. I didn't have a strategy. I just picked out mainly molds that I liked. So first of all, I have these word molds here, and I thought they would be lovely keychains, or you could use them just to put in any of your resin items. You know, just do a different color, put them in your resin item. Some of the words here are family, smile, believe, best, kiss, dream, wish, and baby. Well, I had to get the other one that went along with it if you wanted the second one. 2 different prices, but I got the second one. And this is sweet, forever, happy, love, miss, cute, boy and girl in luck. And there's a star and a little heart. So I plan on sharing some projects with you using these cute little molds. And I think I'll start out making key rings is what I'll do. Okay, because I have some summer shows coming up, and I need $1.79 each for these molds. They're really nice molds. They're heavy duty. They're not cheaply made. They're very nice. And I love the cursive writing. So, and I took everything out of the bag, so you didn't have to hear me crinkle and, you know, unwrap and tear and that sort of thing. Made it a lot easier. Then I got this beautiful seahorse. Now, if I flip him over, he's, maybe 3/8 of an inch thick at the thickest part. It's detailed, you know, it just shows his ribs and his fin and his face. But I thought that would be a really fun mold to do, either in an ocean scene or just to hang it on the wall for little girls that love seahorses. I'm a 2 for that. All right, then I went on the butterfly kick. I don't know what it is. I'm going to have to make a logo. I'm going to take Dusty's idea, but I might add a butterfly. This one is a really nice mold, I think. Let's see, this big butterfly, it is 8 inches wide. There's 2 that come with it. They have the holes for hanging, and I think I'm going to do a mobile with these. There's the detail in the wings with the dots and all the lines of a wing. This looks like a monarch. I can tell, I think, because of the spots in it. So I love this one. Oh, this was $3.37. Regular $8.89. So there's the savings. So I went and got more. There, I found 2 more molds here with butterflies, and these are $2.96 a piece. Regular, oh, $6.59. And they've got the holes to latch a keychain on it, or like I would do a mobile and hang with these holes. They're very detailed too. They're all different. There's 6 on here with the different designs. They're very pretty and delicate, so I really love those. The second one here, there's 6 again. I really like these 2. The only one I'm not fond of is the sideway view, but you know, I can bypass that. The rest are very pretty, very detailed. So there's my butterfly collection I'm going to start working on. Then, you know, during the holidays at Christmas, I like to make ornaments, and I'm thinking, look at this. This is a real deep mold. I wouldn't pour it this deep, but these are angel wings. And, you know, I've made angel wings with lace or ribbon or made bows, but this would be ideal to pour a thin wing in here, and that's a detail too. I mean, you could use some beautiful pearl micro powders in that. Add a little glitter, add a few rhinestones. That would be very pretty. But they call this a freshie mold, and I watched once about making freshies, and I'll have to find that video again and get the name of the lady that did them. Showed us how to make freshies for your car. But this to me is a little big for a freshie. But I'm thinking Christmas. So that cost $4.83. Regular $11.39. So that was a good bargain too. Then, for those of you who grind your spices, I can't grind my spices anymore because I'm medicated. You know I take medication for my backs, but I will say this is a spice grinder, and I have friends that grind their spices. So we'll have to try this and see how it actually works. I think Miss Wanda made one of these, and I don't know what she tried to grind, if it was spices or I don't know, but that's what this is. And I'm going to make this for some friends for the holidays, just for cute little gifts. And the grinder, this mold costs $2.37. So I'll be using that. I've got molds. Oh my goodness. I've got to get cracking, but we're getting busy with the music. All right. Cats. You know I love cats. Now, these are little paw molds, but they're not little. They're advertised as earrings, but those would be cute. Ice, you know, frozen ice or popsicles or candies or something. I think they're too big for earrings, but they'd make a cute keychain, and you don't have to go that deep. Although the hole is really at the top. You'd have to do something different if you made it thinner. You know, maybe put an eye screw in the sides and make them not so thick. But I thought those were really cute because I am a cat lover. I have 5, and then we've got Big Red, who's a stray that's been coming around, and now we're feeding him too. So to go along with my cats, I had to try to get a hold of these diamond painting cats. Now there's 4 in a set. Or is there 5? Oh, there's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They stuck together. There's 5 of these, and these are keychains, and you get the keychain connectors with it. You get the little piece of wax to put on your sticker here, sticker pan, and grab your little diamonds and put them in place. It's like painting by numbers. You know, everything is coded. Here's all the sequins you get to go into the individual cats, and you just follow the code here, the little codes to make your follow the design. They give you that already. So I can't wait to make these. They're kind of big for key rings, but I thought, once again, Christmas ornaments. I have several friends that have cats, and maybe to make a Christmas ornament. You could put, a little bow or maybe a little poinsettia, make it a little more Christmassy. But that's the plan. And I did, let me tell you first, what did for 5 of these, $6.47 for the whole kit, regularly $22.59. So, I was going to say, I need to inform you too. If you get on my affiliate link, and you go into Temu, and you punch in, what is it, Flash? You punch in, oh, I wrote it down. I had to highlight it. You punch in, oh my goodness, Flash Deal 1. And you can get a whole page of 1,000 items for 90% off. Just saying that. And then use my coupon code, and that will give me a little kickback. So let's get back to these diamond pieces, because I had already purchased some sun catchers, and here is one that I just finished up. Look at this beautiful bird. Isn't that cute? And that was just a little kit from Temu. And once I was finished, it's got a tacky top to it so the rhinestones stick. Then you cover it with polyurethane, both sides, let that dry. It dries clear. You'd never know, but they are sealed and they are sturdy. And you've got a beautiful sun catcher to hang in your window or outside on your patio. But that's it for me. That was my little Temu haul. And I'll tell you, with all of these moles and the cats, this is valued at almost $40. So that's my Temu haul. Thank you for watching. Please check out my links. Everything will be in the description. The links to these items will be in the description. You can just go right to them and find your items there. Anyway, my first Temu haul. I don't know how often I'll be able to do this, but I jumped on that bandwagon. So happy shopping, everyone. Have a great week. I'm going to be gone for the weekend, and we'll see you next time. Take good care. I'm sending hugs. Bye.